Stages of research. Unveiling the journey to discovery. A voyage of inquiry and discovery led by a planned set of phases. Research is a methodical and iterative process. These phases serve as a guide for researchers as they traverse the intricacies of creating knowledge, answering problems, and contributing to the growth of their respective professions. Let's go over the essential steps of research in further depth. 1. Formulating the research problem. The path begins with identifying a research problem, a knowledge gap or an issue that needs to be investigated. To establish a coherent and meaningful research issue, researchers examine existing literature, observe real-world events, or reflect on practical difficulties. The quality of the research topic influences the entire direction of the study, hence this stage is critical. 2. Conducting a literature review. It is critical to grasp the existing body of information before beginning on new research. A thorough literature study entails critically analyzing pertinent papers, publications, and theoretical frameworks. This step not only sets the setting for the study, but it also reveals gaps and guides the formation of hypotheses or research questions. 3. Developing a theoretical framework. Researchers develop a theoretical framework based on findings from the literature review. This framework explains the study's conceptual base, combining current ideas or proposing new ones. It acts as a guide for data gathering and analysis, offering a structured lens through which to analyze results. 4. Formulating hypotheses or research questions. Researchers formulate particular hypotheses or research questions after developing a comprehensive knowledge of the study subject and a theoretical framework. Research questions lead the examination of phenomena, whereas hypotheses are tested claims that anticipate the link between variables. This stage determines the focus points around which the study will revolve. 5. Selecting a research design. A critical consideration is selecting an acceptable study design. The sort of study, qualitative, quantitative, or a combination of the two, is determined by the design. Researchers think about things including the nature of the study issue, available resources, and ethical concerns. Experiments, surveys, case studies, and longitudinal studies are examples of common designs. 6. Collecting data. The methods used to collect data differ depending on the study design chosen. Interviews, observations, or content analysis may be used in qualitative research, whereas surveys, experiments, or statistical analysis of existing datasets are frequently used in quantitative studies. Researchers diligently collect data to ensure relevance and dependability. 7. Analyzing data. The next step is to analyze the data that has been obtained. Qualitative data might be treated to theme analysis or coding, whereas quantitative data is subjected to statistical analysis. The purpose is to find relevant patterns, connections, or trends that answer the research question or hypothesis. 8. Drawing conclusions. Researchers analyze the findings in the context of the research topic and theoretical framework at this stage. They decide whether the evidence supports or refutes the hypotheses, providing insights into the study's larger ramifications. 9. Communicating results. The distribution of discoveries is the climax of research. Researchers write papers, publications, or give presentations to disseminate their findings with the academic community and others. Clear communication is required to guarantee that the research is widely understood and used. 10. Reflecting and iterating. The research journey does not end with the dissemination of findings. Researchers analyze the entire process, including its limits, ethical consequences, and opportunities for further investigation. This stage frequently generates new questions and motivates scholars into succeeding cycles of investigation. In essence, the research phases constitute a cyclical and iterative process in which each step informs and impacts the next. This dynamic journey epitomizes the spirit of discovery, contributing not only to knowledge accumulation but also to the ongoing refining and evolution of research procedures.